Hi guys and gals, this is Muscle Car Steve, and this is my 1978 Chevrolet Malibu that I have for sale. This car is going to go up on carsandbids.com for the auction, and this is just a little walk around to show you the car a bit more in detail. So like I said, it's a 78 Malibu. It's a two-door coupe. It was manual swapped with all GM original parts. It's got a 350 Chevrolet, pretty bone stock except for a little cam, aluminum intake, and Edelbrock carburetor. It's got a dual exhaust all the way to the back, brand new. It's got GM rally wheels, as you can see, and they're very good condition. The tires are like 95% new. The paint is like almost immaculate, as you can see in the paint, in the video. Sorry. It's rare that you see a black car that's really straight like this, and this one is. So it's got tinted windows. All the interior has been redone, brand new, all new upholstery. The engine bay has been completely detailed. I'm going to show you the engine bay right now. So as you guys can see, engine bay has been completely detailed. I added air filter off a 80 or 81 Z28 Camaro because I have a cowl induction hood here, and as you can see, it's painted as nice as the car is. You can see the engine through the paint there. So that's it. So I put that on because I thought it fit nice with the engine bay, and it fit nice with the cowl induction hood. So that's it. So that's why that's on there. So as I said, aluminum intake, little Chevrolet valve covers, still got exhaust manifold. Everything works as it should. Heater, the wipers, everything works. So it's a very nice cruiser car. It's got good power. It's not a monster there, but I would say about maybe 300 horsepower, maybe if all is good. So, but as you can see, the engine is pristine. It's got an HEI Mallory distributor. It's got Moroso spark plug wires. So the radiator is brand new as well. So that's the engine. As you guys can see, the chrome is pretty nice. It's not perfect, but it's close to. So as you can see inside, interior is like a brand new car. It's mint. Every gauge works. Temperature, the clock, the voltmeter, oil pressure gauge, everything works. As you can see, the seats are brand new, reupholstered. Brand new carpets, brand new floor mats. Even the top is all brand new. This is the back. I do have the floor mats for the back too. I just forgot to put them in. The sill plates are brand new as well. Show you the other side. Door closes super nice, as you can see. I'll show you the trunk while I'm there. The only thing that needs maybe to be redone or repainted is this trim right here. As you can see, it's cracked, but it's the original trim. It's never been changed. So I'm going to take the keys out. Open the trunk. So this is the trunk. Super nice, brand new carpet. Even the underneath of the trunk is painted. As you can see, no rust on the bottom of the trunk lid, sorry. I was told by the previous owner that they put those plugs there so they could put anti-rust on the frame, on the top of the frame. So it's only that, so it's really nice, and the frame is not rusted at all. So I'm guessing I'm guessing it worked. I'm gonna lift the carpet up here. See, the floor is mint. The only thing that needs to be reattached to this car is the springs for the trunk. I don't know, for a reason the guy took them out, but they're still there. They're underneath. I don't know if you can see it. The rods are there. They just need to be reattached here at the side. So, but that's it. That's the only little defect that the trunk has. So this is the other side of the car. Bumper in the back. It's got stainless steel tips for the back. The wheels. As you can see, the paint. I'll just try to do a profile. Look how deep that paint is. It's got tinted windows. This is the other side. 4-speed. Door panel. The door's super clean at the bottom. Even the rockers, everything's been redone on this car. And it's been done nice too. So I'm going to start the car up so you guys can hear the car. And at the same time, you can see the gauge is working. Works. Voltage, oil pressure, speedometer, even the clock works, as you can see. Get out of the car. How smooth this engine runs. That's it. This is the 78 Malibu that I have for sale. Next video is going to be a drive, so you guys can see how it drives and runs. And yeah. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you guys is the lights. As you can see, all the lights work. Lights work in the back. So go check out this next video. It's the video of the drive of the car. So we'll see you on the next video.